Today we are going to study Progressive Corporation. Progressive is selling all types of insurance. So some key facts about the Progressive or some statistics about Progressive insurance. Uh, Progressive Corporation is headquartered in Mayfield, Ohio, USA. Its net premium returns are 40 billion US dollar. Net policies written are 24.7 million in number. That comes to around 2 crore 47 lakhs. Total assets, Progressive has net worth 64 billion US dollar, revenue 42 billion US dollar, operating income 7 billion US dollar, net income 5.7 billion US dollar. Progressive has 43,000 employees and they have expertise in insurance segments such as vehicle, property, commercial and personal. President and CEO of the Progressive Corporation is Tricia Griffith. Progressive Corporation is an American insurance company, the third largest insurance carrier and number one commercial auto insurance insurer in USA. So Progressive is a US company and it is number one in auto insurance in USA. The company was co-founded in 1937 by Jack Green and Joseph M. Lewis. Company insures passenger vehicles, motorcycles, RVs, trailers, boats, PWC, and commercial vehicles. Progressive also provides home insurance, life insurance, pet insurance, and other insurance solutions through select companies. Progressive has expanded internationally as well, offering auto insurance in Australia. Progressive is ranked 74 on the 2021 Fortune 500 list of top United States corporation. So Progressive is into so many different segments of insurance, and it has expanded internationally also. And it is, if you take the Fortune 500 list of the companies of the US, it has ranked at number 74. Progressive Corporation is among the largest providers of the auto insurance, motorcycle insurance, insurance, and RV insurance in USA. The company was founded in 1937 and is considered as one of the most innovative in the industry. So, why it is considered as innovative? Because it has come up with the innovative offerings in the insurance company that we are going to discuss in next slides. From the beginning, its philosophy has been to approach auto insurance like no other company had. So they have a competitive advantage in auto insurance. They are more focusing on the auto insurance. They want market leadership in auto insurance, and they want to retain that position. Progressive attracts new customers through its unique product offerings and services. For example, it was the first insurance company to offer drive-through claim service, a 24-hour claim service, and reduced rate for low-risk drivers. So these are the three offerings were innovative, and it was the industry first offerings. So drive through claim service, they have started 24-hour claim service, they have started, and they have also come up with the reduced rate for low risk drivers. So they'll put a camera in your vehicle, and depending on how you drive, they will observe that camera footage, and depending on that footage they will decide whether you are a low risk driver or whether you are a high risk driver. If you are a high risk driver, you will be charged more premium, and if you are a low risk driver, then you will be charged low premium. uh, because the person who will have rash driving, who will drive fast, uh, is at more risk for accident and for more damage. So that's why they are first deciding, they don't want to charge more premium to a person who is into category of low risk drivers. So this is very innovative concept, and they are the ones who started this concept. And by this example, uh, you can understand they are coming with the innovative offerings in the insurance services. In 1994, it introduced comparison insurance shopping service, encouraging customers to call 800 Auto Pro or 800 Progressive and receive a progressive quote as well as comparison quotes from three other competitors. So one more innovative offering they come up with, the like comparison insurance. So customer who want to purchase the progressive insurance, they have to call 800 Auto Pro, and there they will be giving their quotation, as well as they are giving the quotation of the prices of the three more competitors, what will be their premium, and customer can compare and customer can decide what is the best policy for them. So this is the offering they come up with, the and you must be knowing nowadays such a type of offerings you will get at Policy Bazaar, Bank Bazaar. So there are some website where you can compare the insurance prices. So Progressive was the first who themselves they come up with the this type of services. The company extend its service when it launched comparison rate shopping on the internet. So they are the one who come up with the who are pioneer in uh, giving the service like comparison services in insurance industry. It was also the first insurance company to offer the immediate response vehicle IRV, a special vehicle that brought trained claims professional to wherever customers needed them, including the scene of the accident. So IRV facility they have started. IRV facilities, that is immediate response vehicle. Whenever there is accident, you just call to you just as a customer you have to call to Progressive Corporation, and they will immediately send a immediate response vehicle. In that vehicle, they will send the experts of that particular auto insurance, and they will visit your place of accident, and they will immediately calculate what is the damage, and they will immediately provide you the check on the spot. Today, Progressive has thousands of IRVs located across the country. Immediate response vehicle IRV is a specially marked and outfitted vehicle that transport trained claims professional to wherever the customer needs them. Outfitted with the latest technology, the claim representative in an IRV is able to make a damage estimate and write a check right on the spot. So this is the IRV service they have started. The insurance industry has changed a lot over the years as consumers have become more educated, more cost conscious, and less likely to use agent during the buying process. As you know, today people go to website, people call the customer service, and they get all the details. And the role of the agent has decreased, or people don't want to go to the agent because most of the time agent gives misleading information. Agent will tell you only positive thing, agent will not tell you the negative points. Jonathan Beamer, marketing strategy and innovation business leader at Progressive, explained the company's media strategy. A company, we have always had the belief that customers should be able to interact with us in their channel of choice. So Progressive Corporation has given option to contact the customer. Customer can contact Progressive Corporation with n number of channels. They have the channel of choice. It is not that they have to come only through the agent. So they can contact the customer by phone, they can contact online, or they can contact from by through an agent. So as a customer, a person can contact the Progressive Corporation by calling them, by SMS, by email, by social media like WhatsApp, Facebook. So they have kept so many options open for the customers to contact the Progressive company. Social media is another means of the customers to engage with our brand. So they are also contacting customer through Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, like social media. The company has a network of 35,000 independent agents, but also gives customers the opportunity to interact with it via the internet or mobile devices. So they have mobile apps, they have social media, or they are giving online options for the customers to contact with the Progressive Corporation employees. It offers consumers several options to manage their service claim as well. So these options through which a customer can contact Progressive Corporation are the option also to apply for the claim. The policyholders can bring their damaged vehicle to a Progressive service center, or they can call Progressive for roadside assistance to take care of problems ranging from flat tires to locksmith needs. So they can bring the damaged vehicle to the Progressive service center, or they can call a Progressive so that IRV can be sent to the place of the accident, or they can call for the roadside assistance also. Policyholders can bring their damaged vehicle to Progressive Service Center, or they can call Progressive Roadside Assistance to take care of the problems ranging from flat tires to locksmith needs. So these are some of their advertisement through which they are communicating their services to the customers. Consumers have responded positively Progressive's marketing campaign in recent years thanks to the company's iconic character Flo, a quirky, witty employee dressed in a white uniform and white apron bearing a company's logo. So, in Airtel advertisement, we see one girl. She is representing Airtel's telecom services. Similarly, in Progressive Corporation, there is a lady called Flo. She is representing their insurance services. So, and that lady is her name is Flo, and she's in white dress, and there is a Progressive logo, and she is always trying to help customers. That there is an imaginary superstore, and there she is trying to convince customers and trying to provide the solution to their problems, and also selling the insurance, like they are selling the insurance in a box, so that insurance should look like a tangible product. Flow commercials are often set in an imaginary insurance superstore and aimed at consumers who are considering getting a new insurance policy or changing insurance. So their advertisement, typical advertisement is like that. There is a Flow lady character representing Progressive's insurance, and there is a customer who wants to change service provider of the insurance policy, or who wants to change uh, the type of policy from one service, one plan to other plan. So this is the type of advertisement they are showing most of the time. The company has found that using a person to represent the brand helps consumers envision the intangible act of buying and selling the insurance as a tangible one. So when you look the advertisement, when you look a lady providing insurance services, you see immediately the tangible, intangible services become a tangible one, because you remember that lady, you remember the box of the insurance, and you remember the communication they are doing it. Its ads also often feature a large white and blue insurance package, again reinforcing the idea that Progressive sells something concrete rather than abstract. In every commercial, Flo goes out of her way to help customers and their business. She works alongside plumbers, lugs shrubbery with landscapers, and finds stranded cars and drivers in pouring rain. So Flow is helping their customers all the time in all the situation. Flow her packages of the insurance and the Progressive super centers have all helped differentiate Progressive in competitive industry. So having a lady character or a person like Flow, and there is an imaginary store which is selling insurance, and the insurance is sold uh, in a box. So all these makes intangible insurance service tangible. Flow is now one of the most recognized advertising icon, and as Chief Marketing Officer Jeff Charney explained, Flow has made us household name. So Flow advertisement has become so popular that Flow has become a household name, and people started recognizing Flow, started recognizing Flow as a synonymous with the Progressive Corporation. So whenever they remember the Flow, they also remember the Progressive Insurance. However, the Progressive's remarking marketing team is careful to keep her modern and relevant. So Progressive is providing insurance for more than 50 years. So that lady seems to be getting older. So they are trying not to change that lady flow, and they don't want to look her as a older. So they want to they are trying to make her modern, relevant, and contemporary to their services. She appears across all screens, including TV, television commercials, the internet, mobile apps, smartphone apps, video games, like Sims Social and animated YouTube videos. She even has her own Facebook page along with millions of fans. So the video clips or the advertisement they are showing on the television commercial, they are showing on the internet, on the social media, on the mobile apps, in the video games, and on YouTube and on the Facebook. Even the lady which is we call Flo, that lady also has a Facebook page along with millions of fans. So that is also helping Progressive to get popular, to get publicity, or to get awareness for their insurance services. The company's marketing has also won multiple awards, including Adweek's Brand Genius Marketer of the Year in 2011 and an EFI Award for Marketing Efficiency. Progressive has experienced impressive growth over the past 2 decades thanks to its innovative and affordable insurance solution and direct marketing campaigns. So Progressive has won two major awards in the insurance sector, that is Brand Genius Marketer of the Year award in 2011 and EFI Award for Marketing Efficiency. Between 1996 and 2005, the company grew at an average of 17% per year from 3.4 billion to 14 billion. So, growing 17% on an average for 9 consecutive years is very big achievement. And its revenue, Progressive's revenue has increased from 3.4 billion to 14 billion, which is very big achievement. In 2013, it wrote 17.3 billion policies and earned 18.2 billion in revenue. Progressive has also won Gallup Exceptional Workplace Award for 2021. Now there are some questions. What has Progressive done well over the years to attract new insurance customers? So Progressive has come up with the innovative offering. We discussed that as per the risk of the driver, they are charging the premium. So low risk driver will have low premium, and high risk drivers will have high premium. They also come up with the drive through claim service. They also come up with the 24-hour claim service. They are also they are also providing toll free number where customer can any prospect can call and get the premium price, and they will also get the comparison codes of 3 other major competitors. Progressive is also providing comparison rates of the insurance policies of the other competitors, so that prospect can easily select the best insurance policy. Then they are also sending immediate response vehicle if customer needs it, if customer met with an accident, and if they are calling for inspection, then immediate response vehicle will reach there, and they will calculate the damage and they will immediately write the check and immediately they will hand over. Then they are providing lot of channels by which customer can contact. They are also providing lot of channels by which customer can apply for claim. They are also present on the social media. They have large number of independent agent, that is 35,000. They are also giving very good advertisement to communicate their services. There is a lady called Flo which is making their intangible services tangible. She is always dressed up in a white and blue color. She has she has a progressive logo on her uniform or on her dress, and she is always trying to help customers. She is always trying to convince customer who wants to change the policy provider or who wants to change the plan of the policy. Flow has become household name, and that shows that they have very good marketing campaign or advertisement campaign, and they are showing this advertisement on internet, on social media, on YouTube, everywhere it is possible. They have also won reputed awards, Genius Awards, Marketing Excellence Awards, and EFI Awards. They are also the uh, exceptional workplace. They are also good workplace, and they have won Gallup Exceptional Workplace Award for that for 2021. Their sales, their revenues are also indicating that they are popular insurance service, and these are the strengths of the Progressive Insurance. Now second is discuss the Progressive's direct marketing campaign, which primarily revolves around the character Flow. Why does it resonate so well with the consumers? Flow, that lady is very quirky and witty character, and she, you will see always wearing a white apron and white uniform, and she is also having company logo, and she is trying to convince the customer regarding the insurance policy. If somebody wants to change the insurance policy provider or plan of the insurance policy, and she's always trying to go out of the way and help the customers. So that lady has become, or that television commercial has become very popular, and that lady Flo has become a household name. She also have millions of Facebook fans, and her videos are shown on the internet, on the YouTube, on the social media. This television commercial uh, got lot of popularity. So through this is very good approach to make the intangible service tangible, and they succeeded with this character Flow. What else should Progressive be doing to ensure it stays top of the mind in the competitive industry of the insurance? So Progressive is into insurance industry, and where the insurance policy is intangible service, and to make it tangible, they can have testimonials of their customers, the customers who got their claim settlement uh, quickly, promptly, and they can show the testimony of the customers. They can give examples where the customer is in need and Progressive help them going out of the way. And they can also they should also should communicate, advertise their innovative services, the thing which they are doing good at, like they are providing comparison premium rates also of the other companies. So they should focus more on these points, so that uh, they should remain at the top of the mind, and they should also get the competitive advantage. They can do set customer satisfaction survey. They can get the feedback and work on uh, the the points of the complaints, or the where the customers are facing problems. So this is how they can remain at the top of the mind. So we will summarize this case study. Uh, as we discussed, Progressive is present in many segments. Progressive has expanded internationally also. Progressive ranked 74th on the Fortune 500 list of US corporation. Progressive is the largest insurance provider in auto insurance, motorcycle insurance, boat insurance, and RV insurance in USA. Progressive is also most innovative corporation. Progressive has started first in the industry, drive through claim service, 24-hour claim service, and reduce rates for low risk drivers. So these are the innovative services which customer appreciated a lot. Uh, uh, Progressive service is also providing comparison rates of the major competitors whenever customer call 800 toll free number. Then they are the first insurance company which is also providing immediate response vehicle IRV. There are many IRV, n number of IRV Progressive Corporation has, and the task of the IRV is whenever customer is calling at the place of the accident, IRV will immediately visit that place, and their experts will calculate the damage and they will immediately write the check. So that is very good service, very prompt, quick service. Because Progressive has given option that their customer can contact the Progressive Corporation with many channel of choices, maybe online, internet, SMS, email, by calling, or by agent, and these are also the channel by which they can apply for the claim. Progressive has large number of agents, like they have more than 35,000 agents. Progressive is also providing roadside assistance. Progressive has a lady character flow in their television commercial. She is wearing white apron, white uniform, and Progressive logo is written on the uniform. And she is trying to convince the customer regard those who want to change the service provider, or who want to change the plan of the insurance policy. By using a person to represent the brand, it makes the intangible service tangible, and it also shows the vision of the Progressive Corporation. Progressive is selling their insurance package, insurance policy in a box, white and blue box. So it is also making the intangible service tangible one. Wherever they are showing the television commercial TVC with the Flo lady character, then she is standing in the imaginary store, superstore. So that is also making intangible insurance service tangible one. Flo has become a most recognized advertising icon, and she has become a household name, and she has millions of Facebook followers. So when you discuss insurance company, immediately you recall the Flo, and immediately you recall uh, Progressive Corporation. And television commercials of sorry, the video advertisement of the Flow are shown on television, internet, mobile apps, smartphone apps, video games, social media, and on YouTube. So this was the summary of the Progressive Corporation case study. Progressive Corporation is the third largest insurance provider, and as per the market share, in if you see auto insurance company, if you see the top auto insurance companies in the USA, Progressive has 11% market share in 2020. Progressive has the least number of complaints per person. So the two major corporation, State Farm and GEICO, has more number of complaints than Progressive. Progressive has grown with 11.2% market share growth. during 2017 and 18 more than their major two competitors GECO and State Farm. In fact, State Farm has declined uh, in their market share, and Progressive has increased their market share by growth rate 11.2%. So this is all regarding Progressive company. I hope you have understood this case study. So thank you so much for watching this case study.